What is Hannah? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone out there is doing good, you feel me? So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on cleaning up this here roof, get all the paper and stuff off of there, get all the stuff off the windshield, and then I'm gonna be power washing. I can't even see it, it's so dark. I'm gonna be power washing the other Civic, get all the spider webs out from the grill area and like the fender walls and whatnot, and then gonna be bringing it in the garage and getting started on this here single cam ZC swap. So let's get to that. Dead battery. Alright, so hopefully this will be good in like an hour or two. Get the power washer up in there. I'll cover up the distributor, but I don't think I'm gonna cover up anything else. Alright, so I got some soap up in here. It's regular degreaser for like home stuff, but I figure it'll work the same. Just want to get like a little before action in there, and all the grime. Alright, so first L of the swap here is I messed up the coating on my fog lights on the bull bar, and I got myself pretty good with the chunk over here. Didn't really care too much about getting the block and stuff because that's all coming out, and I'm going to spray that down once that's out, but it looks a lot better in here, nice and shiny. No paint stripped inside here, it looks like, so that's a W. Alright, so the battery charged a little quicker than I thought it would. Let's see if it's going to do that same old crap it was doing before with the idle. Just like, it would just try to die. I don't know if anyone remembers. What the hell? It runs perfect again out of nowhere. Maybe it just needed a little love. Same car, same. Yeah, I don't know what could have happened with that other Honda out there, but it does run a lot better, which makes me feel better because it's not like I'm not making hella noise. Let's hope the neighbors won't complain. Let's get to work.